Now, okay, dear children, we can go to the English. So today we can start. We can go to the English subject. Actually, we have completed the first lesson. No, what is that? Golden windows. Okay, the house with the golden windows. So this lesson, everybody, have you understood? No. Okay. Now come to the grammar part, dear children. So in this grammar part, already I have explained it to you types of nouns. How many types of nouns are there? We have 6. Okay, how many types of nouns are there, dear children? 6. What are they? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and material noun. Totally we have 6 types of nouns are there. Okay, dear children. Are you listening my words, what I am saying to you? Okay. Now actually we have 6 types of nouns are there. Okay, Tejashwini, you have to buy it from your campus. Okay. Now totally we have 6 types of nouns are there. What are they? Common noun, proper noun, okay, collective noun, next countable noun, uncountable noun, and proper noun. Okay, dear children. So already in the previous class we have discussed on common noun and the proper noun. So today we can go to the nouns. For the nouns only, how do we have to change from a singular to plural? So actually when we are speaking about the singular, we now for example if we have one thing, okay, like boy is there, what is the plural form of this? A plural means what is that? More than one person, more than one thing, so that is called the plural. So how do we have to frame? How do we have to frame from a singular noun to plural noun? This one today we can learn it, dear children. So now everybody listen. So for sometimes some of the rules and regulations are there to change it to the singular noun to plural noun. Sometimes what we can do means by adding of yes, the noun it can be changed into the plural. Now write down in your notebook, dear children, please. How do we have to change the singular to plural? In this changing of a singular noun to plural, we have some of the rules and regulations will be there. What are they? First one, by adding of yes to the singular noun. Adding yes. Write down. Akshay, take your notebook and write down. Adding yes. Now, by adding yes to the singular form, we can change it into the plural form. Example here, boy. Example, boy, when we add boy to the yes, what it will become? Boys. Okay. So, for now next, girl, girls. Okay. Now, garden, gardens. Now, next, bird, birds. By adding of yes, just when we add yes, then that noun can be changed into the plural. Plural means more than one. So next, second rule. What is the second rule means? By adding at the ending, by adding es or okay, by adding es. When do we have to add es to the noun means? If the word, if a noun, it ends with x or ch or s or sh. Okay. So if any noun, it ends with these letters, what are the words it has to end? One is x and second one is ch and third one is s and fourth one is sh. If any noun, it ends with these 4 letters, 4 words, then for this noun, when you want to change it into the plural form, we have to add es. Now example, so here tax, x is there, no? So that we have when you want to change it into the plural. So now just when you add yes, it doesn't come any word. So we have to add here es. Okay. What dear? Any noun if it ends with the Akshay. Take your notebook and write down. Second rule. When do we have to add es to the noun? Any noun it ends with the x or ch or sh or yes. In these four letters, if it ends with a noun, then after these letters for the noun, we have to add es, not s. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Okay. Now, third rule. What is the third rule means? Any noun, it ends with the letter y. With the letter y. Okay. Now, here example they have given fairy. So, here boy is also, it ends with y only. You know, what is the difference between them means? See here, if a noun, it ends with the letter y. So this letter we have to draw. When you want to change it into the plural means you have to drop y, add ies. So why do we have to use here? For the boys also has came y only. No, it ends with. But here one condition is there. So before this ending of y before, if the letter is consonant, do you know that, no, dear children? What are the vowel letters and what are the consonant letters? Vowel letters, what are they? A, E, I, O, U. If y before, if it comes any letter from these 5 letters, then you should not have to add ies. So here y before, if it has a consonant. Consonant means what are they? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, not O, P, Q, R, S, T, U not, V, W, X, Y, Z. From these letters, if it comes the Y before any consonant letter, we have to drop Y and add IES. Okay, dear children, have you understood? This is the rule 3. So everyone should have to keep it in your mind, or else take a screenshot of that screen, dear children. First rule is any noun. For any noun, here we have to, when you want to change it to the singular to plural means, just when we add yes, we get it here. But here second rule, what is that means? If any noun, it ends with these letters. What are they? X or CH or SH or S. From these letters, if it ends with that, then we have to add to that noun as ES. Okay, what is that? ES you have to add. Now, next one. So, third rule, what is that? You have to drop Y and add IES. Here, when do we have to drop Y and IES means? Any noun, it ends with Y. Before this Y, it should be the consonant letter. It should be the consonant letter. At that time, we have to use here IES. Okay. Now, next. Now, so here generally first one is it only, it will come here. In a noun, it ends with Y, but preceded by a vowel, add yes. Okay, what do you have to do here? So here day, day, days. So this vowel letter has came, no? So that we should not have to drop Y. Okay. If it has come here consonant, we have to drop Y, add IES. But it has given before this Y letter, it has vowel letter. So that just we have to add yes. Okay, dear children. So now next. Now, if any noun, singular noun, it ends with the letter O. Ends with the letter O. Listen everybody. Any noun, it ends with the letter with O, then for that noun you have to add ES. What do you have to do? Now next, for some nouns, if it ends with F or FE, if it a noun, it ends with F or FE, you have to drop F or FE, add VES. You have to change it into VES, like cough, calves, knife, knives, like that. Okay, dear children, have you understood? First of all, what is that mean? Noun, if it has and for most of the nouns, just when we add s to the noun, we can change it into the plural. But second rule, what is that? If any noun it ends with these letters, what are or sh, from these letters, if it comes any letters it ends with that noun, then we have to add es, like tax, taxes. Batch ends with ch, so that you have to add here batches. Gas ends with s, so you have to use here gases. Brush, sh, it ends with sh, you have to change it into the brushes, es. Okay, dear children. So now next, third rule is, if a noun it ends with the letter Y, before this Y letter, if it has a consonant letter, we have to drop Y, add IES. Okay, like fairy, fairies, carry, carries, like that. Okay, dear children. So now next, if any noun it ends with Y letter, but before this letter if it comes consonant, we have to drop Y. Here before this Y letter we have the vowel letter, so that just when we add to that noun it can be changes into the plural. Okay, like example, day, days. Okay, ray, race, like that. Okay, dear children. Now next, if any noun it ends with the letter O, it ends with the letter O, like tomato, potato, cargo, like that. If it ends with the letter O, you have to add to that noun es. When we add es to this noun, it can be changes into the plural noun. Okay, dear children, these are the rules. You have to keep it in your mind. So now next, last rule is, if any noun it ends with f or fe, then we should have to drop that f and fe, and we have to add it to that noun as ves, like cough, coughs, knife, knives, like that. Okay, dear children, here one of the example has given. Note down these words and you have to change it into the plural by following these rules. Okay, dear children, will you change it? Now do it, dear children. This one I will give you 2 minutes of time. Within 2 minutes you might have to complete it. Okay, do it fast. Okay, dear children, everybody, have you done? Okay. Who is that Ray, ma'am? Yatish, what is that, Yatish? I did not go anywhere. Here only. What is this, Ray? Yatish? I have some work, because of that I went out. So Diksha, you also have sent the message. Ray. Okay, dear children, completed, no? So let us, we can see, watch. Watch. What do you have to add to make it a plural form? What do you have to add, dear children? ES. Why do we have to add here ES? Because it ends with the letters CH. Okay. Now next, garden. Garden. Very good, Tejashwini. For the garden, dear children. Garden. Yes, very good. Because it ends with the consonant. So stone. Stone. Yes. We have to add, yes. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. Match. For match, dear children. Yes, because it ends with the CH. Next, half. H-A-L-F. Half. For the half, dear children. For the half, VES. We have to drop F and add VES. Okay. Now next, mosquito. Mosquito. ES, because it ends with the letter here O. Okay. With the letter O. So that we have to use, we have to add here ES. Okay, dear children. Now next, bench. Sorry, wife. Wife. For the wife. Wife, dear children. VES. We have to drop FE and add VES. Next, bus. For the bus. Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Fox. It ends with the letter here X. So what do you have to add? Foxes. Bench. It ends with the letter here CH. So you have to add here ES. Monkey. 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 Just yes. Because here the last letter is Y, but before this letter we have the vowel letter. So that you have to add just yes. Duty. Duty. For the duty. No. No, dear children. IES, because Y before which letter is there? Consonant. So you have to drop Y, add IES. Okay. Story. Story. IES only, because here Y before we have the consonant letter. So we have to drop Y, I add IES. Dish. Dish. Dish, dear children. Dishes. ES we have to add. Way, vase. Why means because here Y before we have the vowel letter A. So that just we have to add here. Yes. Okay, dear children. So I hope that everyone have you understood these rules and how do you have to change the singular noun to plural noun. Okay. Now next, come to the next grammar topic, that is synonyms. What is that? Synonyms. What is meant by synonym? Synonyms are the words. It gives the similar meaning to that given words. So here now kind. Kind is which is the kind corrective similar meaning? Thoughtful. It's not gentle. Okay, caring. These all words, it comes under the kind only. So like that, dear children, you should have to find out. From each group, underline 3 words that are similar in meaning. They have given here 5 words has given. Then you have to find out the similar meaning of that given words. That one you have to underline it. So afraid. Afraid means bhayapadadam. That one is similar as scared. Scared is also fear only, no? Akshay. Why we are giving the classes to you, dear? To listen carefully, no? Then, okay, see everybody. Afraid. Afraid is means bhayapadadam. Scared means fear only. Drowsy means feeling sleepy. Feeling sleepy. It's not the correct one. Frightened. Frightened means scaring. Annoyed. Annoyed means sad and shouted. So what are the similar words of fear here? Afraid, scared and frightened. These 3 words are, it gives the similar meanings. Okay, dear children. So I hope that everyone have you understood. So will you complete this task, dear children? Okay, tomorrow we will continue our session and our time is also up, dear children. I will give you a few of the examples on the nouns. Then you have to change it into the plural noun. Okay. Okay. Thank you, dear children, for attending the class. Bye.